Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how you can get Waterford for your kids on your Canvas page so that you can um, add a link for them if in case they're on their desktop computers. All right, so if you start by going to our LME homepage and then go to Staff and scroll all the way down to the bottom to the Waterford link and log into your Waterford account. Click on Students, do the little drop-down arrow, select your class name, not an individual student, but the class name. And then over on the side, here is this Waterford link. You can do this a couple of different ways. If you're on the school computer, you can simply click this and drag it to your desktop, and it will create a little link for you that you can right-click on and go to Properties and copy the URL. Another way to do it is just to right-click and go to Copy Link Location. That copies the URL address. So if I were to open up a new tab and paste that in there, you'll see that it brings me to my class Waterford page. From there, you just go to Canvas. You can do this a couple of different ways. I'll show you how I did it on mine. Probably the easiest way is if you have some links on your main teacher page for the students, just to add a little Waterford picture and then link it up like you would link anything else up. So just in case you could stop watching now if you already know how to make a link, but let's say you didn't. I'll click Edit here in my little table. A second, make this bigger. Okay. So once you put the picture in, and again, if you don't know how to insert a picture, you just go to Images, you go to Upload a new image, and so on. And I just found this image right on Google. Just type in Waterford Reading. It's like one of the first images. To create this link, then you just highlight it, and then up here there's a little chain link. You click that, and you paste in that link that we copied before and hit Insert Link. And that's it. Once you save it, your students will be able to access Waterford right from their computers at home. So if their iPad isn't working, they can get to it from Canvas. You can also put a link directly in your Canvas your Canvas module for them. See here, how did I do that? I'll just show you real quick in case you're interested. Just take 2 seconds. Sorry for the delay. Inside the module for the e-learning lesson yesterday, all I did was simply type Waterford. You could put a picture in here too. You highlight that picture and you just go up to the chain link, the same as the other, and then you just paste it in there. So same as the other one before. That's it. Thanks, guys.